Hello guys, today I will share with you how to configure and use config server of the Cloud Foundry. I'm just still researching on this, but I will show you what I have done for my application, how to configure config server and how to use on the client side. But before that, since we need a repository for config server, so I'll show you how to create a repository and import it to Eclipse STS. Right now I'm using STS. So if you don't have this Git perspective, you can go to Eclipse Marketplace and computer is slow. So you can type it Git here and search for that. Then this is what we are looking. So I already installed it. So if you don't have the perspective, you can go ahead and install it first. Then I have a repository. I have a GitHub account, so I can create a new repository. Here I will show you how. Okay, so let's say repository. Okay, I will keep as default. Let's create it. Okay, so the repository is created. And then I copy this, the URL, and you go to STS and you clone. There is here clone a Git repository and add the concept view. So I click here and clone URL. So it's already copied here. You just add git so then you add your username and password. It's already copied. Then okay, next. So it will be created. So here it is created. Then if you want to show on the view of the STS on the Spring side, on the project side, so you just right click here, then import projects. Then I just put default, but there is sometimes if there is any option, you select general project. Then I will leave as a default. Then you finish. So if we go now to the Spring perspective tutorial, this here is our repository. Now we don't have any file, so we can right click and add our files here, like any our application dot properties or application dot properties this we can put it, and or we can add also a folder. This will be used later for the profiles, different profiles like dev. You can make dev or QA profiles, different profiles. QA. So this is tutorial. Then I might use different repository for feature. So this is how we create a repository and import it to our perspective. Then from here I can commit, or I can do any change here. URL equals to any URL, anything. Then I can, when I want to commit it, I just right click, we go to team and commit it. And then I can bring it to the state change. Then update. Then I commit and push. Right now only the master is, we can, I don't have anything like develop or any, just the master, so I push the master. It might give me some warning, but it's okay. Right now it didn't give me any warning, so okay. Then that's it. Let's see our changes here. Let's refresh it. Okay, so we got our change here. Okay, so the dev and QA we don't have anything, so that's why. So here we can do different labels. We can add develop. This is, it will be useful for future for the label when we are doing, when we will see to put different labels for the config server. So that's it, guys. That's what I have for today. Then I will continue on config server, and we'll use this repository or similar repository. Thank you.